Okay, so good morning. So today we're looking at the grade 9, page 183, the study and master. We're going to look in this video on the multiple choice questions and how we should answer them. Okay, I'm going to go a bit fast through it as we only got a few minutes before the bell rings. Okay. So let's go with the first one. You have to choose the correct answer from the four possibilities. So the first answer is C. You all agree with that?
Yeah.
Okay, because that's going to be negative 4 times, negative 2 times, negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 16. Let's look at number 2. A4 times A4. D. Why? When you multiply and bases out the same, we add the exponents. Okay. Let's look at the next one. There's a binomial squared, so we write this out twice. It's a minus b times a minus b, which is a squared minus ab plus b squared, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Which makes the answer B. You all agree with that? Right? Many people, what they do is they square the first term and they square the last term. They get a squared minus b squared and they say b squared. But that is not correct. Okay? Or even C in that case. Look at number 4. Number 4 squared is 16. No, 4 cubed, sorry. 4 cubed is 64. X 2 times 3 is 6. Y 3 times 3 is 9. Which makes the answer C. The next one, if x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to negative 1, and z is 1.5. So it's going to be negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 as your y over z, which is 1.5. That's simply going to give us negative 1 squared is plus 1, negative 2 times negative 1 is plus 2, divided by 3 over 2. You all agree with that? Which is 1 plus 2 is 3, divided by 3 over 2. Which is 3 over 1 multiplied by 2 over 3. That cancels, gives us 2 over 1, which is 2. Makes the answer A. The next one, the gradient m of the line. How do we calculate the gradient? It must be in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So we got 2y minus x is equal to minus 6. Take that over, becomes 2y is equal to x minus 6. Divided by 2. Y is equal to a half x minus 3. So what's the gradient of this graph? Isn't it a half? Which makes the answer D. Let's look at number 7. So what do you notice? I don't look at the answer first and then choose. Okay? I work it out and then choose. Okay? That should be the what's the name there? Which of the following points lies on this line? Which means to say we've got 2x plus y is equal to 4. What I do is I substitute this into the equation on the left hand side. So we've got 2 times negative 1 plus 5. If the answer is 4, it lies on the graph. If it's not 4, it does not lie on the graph. Okay? So that's going to give you negative 2 plus 3, negative 2 plus 5 is 3. So that one does not lie. The next one is going to be 2 times 1 plus negative 6. It's going to give you negative 4. Not that one. Let's look at B. It's going to be 2 times 1 minus 2, which is 0. Not that one. And then you're going to get 2 times half, which is the last one, minus 3. Not that one either. Okay, I made a mistake then, definitely. Where's my mistake? Let's check again. What did you guys choose? Hello? What did you guys choose? It will be nice if you give me an answer. 2 times 1 minus 2 is 0. 2 times a half minus 3. None of it works. Correct? What is the answer according to the memo? Sorry? Sorry? Symbolic, okay. Looking at number 8, this has to be written first as 25 over 16, x 16, the square root thereof. The square root of 25 is 5 over 4, x 16 over 2 is 8. Makes the answer C. Because 4 goes into 5 once and 1 over. What's the answer number 7, Bali? Still. Right, let's look at number 9. We'll simplify inside the bracket first. 5 going to 24 times. There's more x's at the bottom, so 5 minus 3 is 2. There are more y's on top, 5 minus 1 is 4. The square root of 4 is 2, y 2 over x. Which makes the answer B. Yes, what's the answer there? A. But I disproved A already. Not so? Because 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 5 is 3. So none of this works. Okay? Unless the value of this had to be negative 2, if this was 4, then it would have worked. Can you see that? So it would have been 2 times negative 2, not 4, 6 plus 6, which would have then given me 4. You see that? The next one, the value for x. So here, this here is going to be 180 minus 2x. Not so. Angles on a straight line. And what you should see here is corresponding angles. So those angles are equal. So it's 180 minus 2x equals 3x. Corresponding. So 5x is equal to 180. Divided by 5 both sides is going to give you 336. Makes the answer B. Just looking at number 11. In triangle ABC. ABC. Angle A is equal to angle B. And C is 50. So if that's x and x, will give you the same thing. Not so. So we can say A plus B, which is also angle A, plus 50 equals 180. Sum of triangles. So twice angle A is going to be 130. Divided by 2 is going to give you 65. Which makes the answer D. Number 12, x. So this is vertically opposite here. Not so? So x is equal to 90 plus 30, which is 120. Makes the answer C. The next one, ABCD is a parallelogram. So we know opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are parallel, and all of those. The opposite angles are equal, and diagonals bisect each other. They want to know the size of BAD. BAD, this whole angle. So if this is 50, then that angle is also 50. Not so? Okay? So you got 50 here. Now, let's call this x for now, and that will be x. Then we got x. Why is it x? Because right, angles opposite equal sides. X plus 50 equals 180. So 2x equal to 130. X is 65. So in other words, that is 65. So this whole angle is going to be 65 plus 50, which is 150. Makes the answer C. The next one is BAC is 90. AD, so that angle is equal to that angle. So this is 75 degrees. They want to know the size of BAD. BAD, this angle here. So if this is 75, I can work out that angle there. So 75 plus 75 plus DAC equals 180. So DAC is equal to 30 degrees. So that is 30. 90 minus 30, 60. That makes the answer D. The ratio of an angle is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay? The smallest angle is, remember that is 2x, 3x and 5x. Why? Because these are ratios. Okay? So if you got 2x, 3x and 5x, will be 2x plus 3x plus 5x equals 180. That's going to give us 10x equals 180. So x is equal to 18. The smallest angle is 2 times 18, which is 36. Makes the answer C. Number 16. In number 16, the size of x is it x? This is what you should be seeing. It's 110, 130, and x here. So this angle here is going to be 180 minus 130, which is 50 degrees. This angle here. So now at this point we know exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposites. So 110 is equal to 50 plus x, which is 60. Makes the answer D. Number 17, the area of the diagram can be calculated by. This is a trapezoid. The area of a trapezoid is a half. Your sum of your two diagonals times your perpendicular height. So it's a half, so it's either B or D. Your perpendicular height is AD, which makes B the right answer. The next one, 18. The diagonals of A are equal. Now the diagonals of two shapes are equal. Equal in length. One is being a rectangle and the other one is being a square. It's a rectangle, is it a square? No, so it has to be B. 19. One of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of the one of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two interior angles. Therefore the triangles are one of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two interior. Therefore it has to be, for the exterior angle, one of the interior angles of the triangle is equal to the sum of. There has to be a right angle. With that being 90, 45, 45. So it's an isosceles right angle triangle. Just check what's the answer there? C. Right. And the last one. In the diagram, AM is the, if this is equal, it's called the median. That should be an M there. So it's your median. Your altitude will be drawn like this at 90 degrees. Right, homework for Monday. Monday. So I must give you extra work. Thank you. So from the textbook, and in exam papers, on page 186, there's one full paper I want you guys to do for Tuesday. This is in preparation of your exam. So exam paper 1, the first paper June, page 186, it carries on till 188. People, enjoy your weekend.